Okay, video number 3. The second one was kind of a disaster, but I still did it in one take with some splicing. I know from my analytics that people generally only watch the first 3 minutes of any kind of video of substance. So here we go. Building on video 1, which was this. Building on video 2, which was getting the strings on. Now, although it sounds mellow, it makes you sleepy. Go ahead. Go to sleep. La la la. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Okay, that was scary. Since this one is in tune, we're going to tune it. There's a great little app. Let me see if I can find it here. On my phone. Where'd you go? There it is. This one. That one. Ukulele. That's a great app for tuning. I'm going to use my ear on this because I'm a trained professional. But I'm going to start with the 4th string, the low G. If you're a guitar player, here's something interesting. The 2nd string E right here, I have a guitar off camera. Did you hear that? That's the 1st string of a guitar. I can tune to that. So I'm going to do that because I'm a guitar player. Ooh. Okay. So this is called relative tuning. You can do this without a tuner, but you need an ear. So there's the E, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. I want to match the A string. So I got the E string in tune on a guitar. Let's check that. Off camera. Then I go E, F, G, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. Tune at the 5th fret. Pretty close. Okay. Now, the 3rd string is a C. You're probably just using the app, which is what you should do, but hey, let's learn a little music while we're at it here. Since this is a C, when I don't put a finger on it, that's a C sharp. There's a D, D sharp, or E flat if you're going for enharmonic spelling. There's the E. I need this note to tune to the E string. Let's see how close I am. It's too high, which means it's sharp. Still too sharp, just a tiny bit. This is called relative tuning, remember. I'm using one string that I'm assuming is in tune to tune the rest of the strings. So we got the E. And these are nylon or plastic strings. They're going to keep stretching out. They'll change their tune while you're tuning. It's frustrating the first time. And then finally the G, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and then here's a C. Ooh, way too sharp. That's pretty good. So they're in tune. I'm going to see if I can play a little chord here. There, that's how we tune. Boom. There's that one. A, E, C, G, going around the horn. A, E, C, G. Relative tuning, I tuned my E. You probably use the Kala tuning app, but I tuned my E string. Then I tuned that together. Took my C, C sharp D, D sharp E. Now it's an E. I'm going to tune this. And then we're gonna, there, done. Now it's like this. Thanks for playing. Bye bye.